Welcome to CoreDraft Academy of Law. CoreDraft presents Law and Let YouTube series on law and law entrance tests. In this series, you will have the national and important days celebrated in the month of February 2019. Important national and international days in February. 1st February is celebrated as the Indian Coast Guard Day. 1st February is celebrated as Indian Coast Guard. 2nd February is celebrated as World Wetlands Day. World Wetlands Day is celebrated internationally. This day marks the date of the adoption of the Convention on Wetlands on 2nd February 1971 in Iran. World Wetlands Day is celebrated internationally, and this day marks the date of the adoption of the Convention on Wetlands on 2nd February 1971 in Iran. February 4th is celebrated as World Cancer Day. World Cancer Day is an international day marked on February 4th to raise awareness of cancer and to encourage its prevention, detection, and treatment. 4th February is also celebrated as a National Day of Sri Lanka. On 4th of every year, Sri Lanka's National Day is celebrated as Independence Day. Sri Lanka got freedom from British rule on 4th February 1948. 7th February is celebrated as International Development Week. 7th February is celebrated as International Development Week. IDW or International Development Week has been held during the first full week of February. That is from full week of February. 12th February is celebrated as Darwin's Day, the anniversary of the birthday of the great British naturalist and biologist Charles Darwin. On 12th February, it is celebrated as Darwin's Day. 12th February is celebrated as Abraham Lincoln's birthday. 12th February is celebrated as the birthday of the most popular president in the United States history, namely Abraham Lincoln. It's also called as the Lincoln Day. 13th February is celebrated as Sarojini Naidu's birth anniversary. Sarojini Naidu's birth anniversary. She's also called the Nightingale of India. She was the first Indian woman president of the Indian National Congress and also the first women governor of an Indian state, that is governor of United Province, which is now as Uttar Pradesh. 13th February is celebrated as a World Radio Day. World Radio Day is celebrated on 13th February to raise awareness about the importance of radio. 18th February is celebrated as the Taj Mahotsav. Taj Festival is an annual 10-day event in Shilpgram in Agra, in India, and this invokes the memories of the old Mughal era and Nawabi style prevalent in Uttar Pradesh in the 18th and 19th centuries. 18th February celebrated as the Mahotsav in India. 20th February is celebrated as the World Day of Social Justice. World Day of Social Justice is observed every year on 20th February to encourage people to see how social justice affects poverty eradication. 20th February is celebrated as the Arunachal Pradesh Foundation Day. Arunachal Pradesh Foundation Day And this day it is celebrated to gain the status of the Union Territory and named Arunachal Pradesh. It is celebrated on 20th February, as on this day it gained the status of the Union Territory and named Arunachal Pradesh. 21st February is International Mother Language Day. International Mother Language Day. It is celebrated worldwide to bring awareness of the diversity of the language and its variety. It promotes the awareness of language and cultural diversity across the world. 22nd February is World Scouts Day. 22nd February is World Scout Day. It is celebrated and millions of scouts from around the world gather at local, national and international levels to celebrate the Founders' Day. This day marks with the birthday of Lord Baden-Powell, the pioneer of Scouting. It marks with the birthday of Lord Baden-Powell, the pioneer of Scouting. February 24th is Central Excise Day. Central Excise Day. Celebrated to commemorate the legislation of Central Excise and Salt Act on 24th February 1944. 27th February is World Sustainable Energy Day. The World Sustainable Energy Day brings together more than 650 delegates from 50 countries from industry, academia, and public sector to embrace together the necessary transition to a clean energy. The World Sustainable Energy Day, celebrated on 27th February, brings together more than 650 delegates from 50 countries from industry, academia, and public sector to embrace together the necessary transition to a clean energy. 28th February, celebrated as the National Science Day, to spread a message about the importance of science used in the daily life of the people. National Science Day, celebrated to spread a message about the importance of science used in the daily life of the people. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you like this, please share it with your friends. Thank you.